Hey you guys, so it's Keoshia and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another fashion type style video. If you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Okay you guys, so as you can tell from the title of today's video, I am doing a 10 by 10 challenge. I'm going to explain what a 10 by 10 challenge is first, and then I'm going to explain to you why I like the concept of a 10 by 10 challenge, and then I am going to show you the pieces that I picked for this challenge, and then I'm going to show you the 10 outfits that I made out of the 10 items. Okay, so let's get started. So a 10 by 10 challenge or 10 by 10 capsule challenge is where you pick 10 items to use for 10 days to make 10 outfits. Okay, now there is several different ways you can do this. I have decided to do mine where I pick 10 pieces of clothing item, and I'm not choosing, you know, shoes or accessories or anything in my 10 pieces. I can wear any shoes in my closet, any accessories in my closet, just not any other clothing items besides what is on this rack. I have seen people do, you know, 5 pairs of clothes and 5 pairs of shoes, or 5 pair of clothes and 2 shoes and 3 hats, you know, and 4 bags and just stuff like that. But for me, because this is my first time doing it, I did a little bit of research, and I feel more comfortable doing the 10 clothing pieces and having freedom with my accessories and my shoes. Okay, so that is what a 10 by 10 challenge is. So you can look up the different rules, different ways to do it. There's always several different ways to do something, but for me, I'm going to do 10 pieces of clothing items, and like I said, not include my shoes or accessories or bags or anything like that. So why did I choose to do a 10 by 10 challenge? Now, if you guys know, in my previous video, I did a 30 by 30, which is a 30-piece capsule wardrobe for the summer. It was basically nudes and neutrals. And the thing about that is, while I loved all the outfits I made, I'll link the video above, and if you look at my Instagram, you will see most of those outfits posted on my Instagram. It was classic, it was simple, it was beautiful, but I got bored. I mean, it was just nudes and brown. I'm more than a nudes and brown girl, but I wanted to try it out, and what I liked about it was it made me think about ways to put outfits together and still look chic with simple clothing pieces. I'm in the process of my life where I want to just put on clothes and look effortlessly chic, just look put together, just look stylish all the time. And it was really hard for me to do that with my last closet, so I've been trying to, you know, do the capsule wardrobe thing. But the thing about that is you can get bored. If you're somebody like me who likes to rotate their pieces out even though they have favorites, it'll help you rotate your pieces out whenever you get tired. So if I get tired of these 10 pieces, I only have to wear them for 10 days. I can do that for 2 weeks. I don't include the weekends. I just include the days of the Monday through Friday. And then I can actually, 2 weeks, I can pick another complete 10 items and do 10 more outfits, and I will feel like I have a whole new wardrobe. And when I found the challenge and I started looking, I was like, this is amazing. You can literally have 30 pieces in your closet and choose 10 different items multiple times in different ways to just create a plethora of outfits. And I'm just over here like, fantastic, let's try this out. That's one of the reasons why I chose it. And then another reason why I chose is, like I said, sometimes you'll have your favorite pieces and you'll forget about other pieces. So when I do my 10 by 10 challenges, I've kind of wrote down what I want to get out of it, what I want to achieve. And so my point is to, when I pick these 10 items, the next time I pick 10 items, I most likely will not pick any of these 10 items unless I just really need to. But I would try to pick other items to make sure I get good wear out of my pieces, if that makes sense. So that's sort of kind of like my little rule of how I want to do it, just to make sure I'm wearing everything in my wardrobe. It kind of lets you know if you're liking certain pieces, if you can't figure out how to style certain pieces. It kind of forces you to let you know whether these pieces are actually working in your wardrobe. Because if you put a piece on here and you notice when you style it, you don't like how it looked with the other pieces, it's not really cohesive, it's not really flowing, then you may think about, you might need to get rid of that piece because it might not really flow in your closet like you want to. I mean, you may love it, it may look cute, gorgeous, or whatever, but it's not really working with what you're trying to do. So that's one of the other reasons why I actually like this 10 by 10. It's kind of hard to do it when you have a plethora like 30 pieces, because you can wear the same ones over and over again and you not even realize that you didn't wear anything else on the rack. You know what I'm saying? But with 10 pieces, you ain't got the 10 pieces. Like, you most likely gonna wear all of this stuff in them 10 days. You know what I'm saying? So that is why I picked the 10 by 10 challenge. Okay, so I want to go ahead and quickly go through the pieces, and then I'll show you the actual outfit. So let's do our first piece. Is this black cami that I got from ASOS. It is a size 12, and it's just super simple with the V-neck, and it's just black. Okay, and then the next thing I got is this white tank top. It's super flowy and long, and as you see, it is curved at the bottom. I did thrift this from the thrift store. It's a size large, but it says it's by somebody named Emma Closet. You can find a white tank top anywhere. And I do want to say all of my pieces are actually staple sort of pieces, so you should be able to find these pieces anywhere. The next one is this linen white shirt from H&M. It is a size large. Gotta have a linen shirt for summer. This is my first linen shirt, like long sleeve, like good quality linen shirt, and I'm super excited. I've worn this so much since I've gotten it. And then the next thing is something that's out of my comfort zone. You guys know I don't really like my legs like that. I feel like they're just super thick and big, and no shorts ever look good. But I did get these mom shorts from Bershka, but I did get them off of ASOS, and they are a size 10, and they're just a nice blue denim shorts with the rolled up legs. So got those. The next thing I got is I call them off-white denim jeans that I got from H&M, and they're by Ann Denim. Okay, and then the next piece are these blue jeans that I got from also H&M. They are just raw hem. They do have some distressing on like the thigh area and stuff. You will see it in the video. I felt it was important to put in a pair of blue jeans since I haven't worn any type of blue jeans in the past 2 weeks, so I wanted to put that in there. And then I have these wide leg culotte type pants, or short crop wide leg pants that I got from Zara. They are a size 10, I believe, or a large. They're a large, and they're this olive like green color, super gorgeous. Definitely one of my colors for the summer and fall. And then I have like these joggers. Of course, you have to have that comfortable elastic waist. They are in a size large, and they are also cropped as well. Crop is in, cool as possible. And then I picked out two blazers. This first blazer is just a simple staple black blazer in the size 12. I did thrift this, so you know you can find a black blazer anywhere. And then I have this silk blazer, which is like this off-white, like not off-white, it's more like a tannish beige color. It's a size 14, and I did thrift this as well, but you can find a tan blazer anywhere. So those are the 10 pieces that I picked. So let's go ahead and look at how I styled them.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. You love, you love, you love. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath.
Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Those are the 10 outfits that I styled using these 10 pieces of clothing items. One thing I do want to say is that you can make more than 10 outfits with 10 items, okay? So in this video, I just did 10 outfits, but I have way more than 10 outfits. So if you want to see the other 10 outfits that I created using these same clothes, go ahead and check out my Instagram. I'm going to have it on my IGTV. My Instagram is always linked down below. If you like what you see, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I like to do stories, post my outfits, just daily, daily stuff. You know what I'm saying? What everybody do on Instagram. That's what I do. So make sure you go ahead and follow me over there because I'm going to have 10 more outfits for you guys to check out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.